Hey, it's your girl Dominica, back with another video. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram at DominicaJ. This is a quick video on these Dip Rice Krispie treats, so let's get right to it. I wanted to try out these larger Rice Krispie treats. These are the 1.3 ounce bars. After trying them, I will be sticking with the smaller ones. I'll link in the description box the Rice Krispie treats that I normally use. You want to let the chocolate harden around the stick. After that, they'll be ready to dip. While the drizzle is wet, go ahead and add your sprinkles. I didn't care for the 1.3 ounce bars because I just think they're too big and flimsy for the treat stick. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.